Hi students, in this video we will discuss how to solve mathematical expressions if it contains more than 2 or 3 operations. Generally, what are fundamental operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. If single operation is there means we can solve. Suppose 27 plus 15, 32 minus 12, 4 into 15, 30 divided by 2. Here only single mathematical operation. Then here addition, that's why we can add and simply we can write the answer. And here subtraction, and this is multiplication, and here division. Suppose combination of mathematical operations given means how to solve. What is the order we have to follow? First, let's see an example. 2 into 3 minus 6 plus 1. Here, what are the mathematical operations present? Into, minus, plus. First, solve. First method, 2 3s, 6 minus 6 plus 1. Plus 6 minus 6 get cancelled, which is 1. Suppose I am doing this question like this. Minus 6 plus 1. First, I am subtracting these two. 2 into 3 minus 6. One positive, one negative. Negative will come. 3 minus 6 is minus 3 plus 1. Two mathematical symbols should not write side by side. That's why I kept a bracket. Now 2 3s 6. Positive into negative. Negative plus 1. One positive, one negative. Subtraction. 6 minus 1 is 5. Bigger number symbol is minus 5. Like this we solve means we got answer 1. Again I changed method means I got answer minus 5. Both are different. Here the expression is 1 only, but doing in different ways means we are getting different answers. So this is wrong. Whatever the method we follow, finally all methods should get the same answer. So here we have to follow some rules while simplifying. More than 2 mathematical operations are present in given expression. That what is that rule? Generally mathematical operations 4 plus, minus, into, divided by. And here one more also will be, some questions we can observe brackets also. And some questions they will give middle OF, off. So these all are mathematical operations, maximum will present in given expressions. Plus, minus, into, divided by, brackets and off. Off means here it is nothing but multiplication. By using these all operations, we have to follow one rule, that is BODMAS rule. Here BODMAS rule means, here B means bracket, O means off, D division, M multiplication, A addition, and S subtraction. When mathematical expression contains more than 2 operations, then we have to follow this rule only. First we have to check out given expression contains bracket. Then first we want to go to bracket. We have to open brackets. Next we want to check out off. Off means it is nothing but multiplication, but off will come before multiplication. Next D. Next preference we want to give for division. Next preference multiplication. Next preference addition. Next subtraction. Here by solving without following rule and by following rule we can get different answers. By following the rule, whatever the answer we will get, that only correct. We should follow these rules when mathematical expression contains more operations. Now let us see some examples. First here plus is there, into is there, bracket, again addition, division, subtraction. All operations are there. Here first of all we want to take BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule. First preference we want to give for bracket. First bracket. So we have to simplify only bracket. Remaining terms as it is we have to copy. Remaining terms 3 plus 6 into 5 plus 4 9. Now open the bracket. Next divided by 3 minus 7. After completion of B, next check out off is there. No, here off not there. Next go to next preference want to give for division. Where is division? Here it is there. So now you want to simplify only this operation. Remaining we should not touch. 3 plus 6 into 9 divided by 3. 9 by 3 is 3 minus 7. Next division also completed. Next preference we want to give for multiplication. Next for multiplication we have to give 3 plus 6 3s 18 minus 7. Next multiplication complete means what we have to do? Addition. 18 plus 3 21 minus 7. Finally, subtraction. 21 minus 7 is 14. This is the answer. Like this, we have to simplify by taking Bodmer's rule. Suppose without following Bodmer's rule, simplify this expression. What is the answer we will get? Check it. 3 plus 6 into 5 plus 4 divided by 3 minus 7. 3 plus 6, 9 into 5 plus 4, 9 divided by 3 minus 7. 9 nines, 81 divided by 3 minus 7. 81 divides 3. 3 ones, 3 twos, 6, 3 sevens. 27 minus 7. 27 minus 7 is 20. See, here we got different answers. That's why, while simplifying, more operations are present in given expression. We should follow the rule is Bodmer's rule. One more example. Here, 33 divided by 25 minus of 18 plus 4. Again, Bodmer's rule. First, we want to give preference for brackets. Here, bracket is there. Check here. Two brackets are there. Brackets are different types. Open brackets, square brackets, flower brackets. Understood? These all will come in higher classes. Now, just brackets. How to open brackets only you have to learn. Here, 25 minus of 18 plus 4. This is inside bracket and this is outer bracket. First, you have to open inside bracket. Remaining all the same we have to copy. 33 divided by 25 minus 18 plus 4. 22. One bracket is opened. Next again, one more bracket came. Remaining 33 divided by 25 minus 22 is 3. Now division. 33 divided by 3. Now finally 33 divided by 3 is 11. One more example. Again note down Bodmer's. First open bracket. This one write like this only. 72 minus 12 divided by 3 of 2 plus open this bracket. 18 minus 6 is 12 divided by 4. Next inside of the bracket we have to do simplification. So inside bracket again we want to follow the rules. First, which one we want to give for which operation we have to do? O. O means half. This one we have to do. 72 minus 12 divided by 3 of 2 means it is nothing but 3 into 2. 3 twos, 6. Still this bracket not opened. Until the time right here what is the remaining terms? Same, that only you have to copy. Now, subtraction, division is there. Next, which one you want to give first preference? Subtraction, division. Division. Next, we have to give for division. 72 minus 12 divided by 6 is 2 plus 12 divided by 4. Now, 72 minus 2 is 70 plus 12 divided by 4. Now, bracket opened. Again, addition and division is there. For which one we have to give first preference? Division, which is equal to 70 plus 12 divided by 4. 4 3s 12. Now last only single operation which is equal to 73. First here what we done? Brackets we have to open. Here in this bracket so many operations are there. That's why first we opened this bracket. 18 minus 6 is 12. Next inside of the bracket we taken this bracket. Again here what are the operations present? Subtraction, division, off. In this 3, first off will come. So off 3 of 2, 3 twos, off means multiplication, 3 twos, 6. Again here only two operations came, subtraction and division. Here we want to give first preference for division. That's why we divided. 12 divided by 6 is 2. Now 72 minus 2 is 70. 72 minus 2 is 70. And remaining terms we copied. Now here finally we got two operations. Plus and division. Division will come first. That's why we divided. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Finally 70 plus 3 is 73. Now observe in this example. 3 types of brackets are present. Square brackets, flower brackets, open brackets. Now which brackets we have to open first? See here by checking. First this bracket we have to open. This bracket. Next flower bracket and finally square bracket. First 50 minus 20 plus remaining all terms are same as usual you have to copy. First now open this bracket. 20 minus 5, 15. Now open bracket removed. Now square bracket and flower bracket remain. Now open this bracket. 50 minus 20 plus 30 minus 15. 15. Now again it is changed into single bracket. 50 minus 20 plus 15, 35. Now that bracket also opened. Now subtract 50 minus 35, which is 15. Here first what we done? 3 brackets are there. In 3 brackets, what is innermost? Open bracket. First we done there. Next bracket is flower bracket and then square bracket. Let's see one more example. 900 divided by 20 of 2 plus 3 into 6 of 3. First preference for which one you have to give? Bracket. BODMAS. Again we want to use BODMAS rule. First bracket. Open bracket. Remaining all copy same. 900 divided by 20 of 2 plus 3. 5 into 6 of 3. Next preference want to give for half. Here 2 are there half. One is 20 of 5 and 6 of 3. 900 divided by 20 of 5 means 25. 100 into 6 3s 18. Finally here we got 2 operations, division and multiplication. First preference goes to division. First divide these two. 900 divided by 100 is 9 into 18. Now 18 nines 162. Like this we have to simplify if given mathematical expression contains more than 2 operations. Once again, what is the rule we have to follow? BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule means first B means bracket. We have to open first bracket. Next O means half. D means division. Next M means multiplication. A addition. Finally S means subtraction. While simplifying mathematical expressions which contains more than 2 or 3 operations, maximum students can do mistakes. This is not only for a primary session, it will continue for higher classes also. While solving expressions, follow this rule, BODMAS. Students, if you like my explanation, please subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Thank you.